Students, good morning. Today I will teaching about the string operator. What is this? String operators. So string operators, what and all is there means, the first one, it is a concatenation. What is this? Concatenation. Concatenation means is nothing, just plus. Two strings, how to add. Okay. Next one operator is a append. What is the append means? Already there means, already existing thing is there means, that is one more thing you can add it. That is called to append. That is called to append. Okay, next I will teach you repeating. What is a repeating? Repeating means that is a asterisk. The asterisk means is nothing. Just one more. For example, one word is there means, for example, hello. Hello one time I should write. After this is a 10 times or 100 times or 1000 times you want means, that is using for asterisk. That is a repeating operators. So these also multiplication also you can use. Okay, that is a depending upon the situations if you changing the operations. That number is there means if you calculate, but string is there means it is a multiple of the multiple times coming. Okay, next to operators, string slicing. What is this? String slicing. This is a string slicing means is nothing. Just one string you should write means that string you can, how many letters you can print out. That is a user decide. That is one function is there. Each and everything I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay. Each and every operators I will give the one examples. So each and everything you can listen. Okay. Next, I will teach you fifth operators. It is a straight when slicing. When slicing strings. That is a straight means what? Straight means that is a nothing. Just you can specify the third argument. That is a third argument of the number of characters, forward or backward, retrieve, each and everything you can display here. Okay, that is a 5 operators there in the string. That is a one for concatenation, second for append, third for repeating, the fourth for string slicing, then fourth one this, then fifth one straight when slicing string. Okay, good. So this is called to what? That is a strings operators. Okay, the first I will teach you concatenation. Concatenation. That is a plus operators. How to used. I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay, good. So concatenation means what, sir? Nothing. Just on two strings, that is a prompt operators, double quotation, welcome plus double quotation Python, double quotation finish. Now you can execute means the both string you can execute, after that single quotation will come. Welcome Python. Otherwise, see here one more examples I will teach. For example, Magendra, double quotation finish plus schools, double quotation finish. Now you can teach means what? That is the enter key press means if you run the coding means Magendra schools. The single quotation will come. So this is called what? That is a string concatenation. Joining two or more strings is called to concatenation. Now two strings I concate. This like do every one or more strings you can connect out. Okay. Okay, good. Sir, next I will teach you append. What is this? Append. Append means what? That is the second one I will teach you. Append. Append means existing strings it will be added in the one more strings. For example, greater than, promote str1 is equal to welcome to double quotation finish. This is one variable you can store welcome to. Next string. See here, I will teach you str plus is equal to double quotation learn to Python. Double quotation finish. Now print str1. Now str1 means what will do? That is the answers will come. Answers, what answer will come? If your output means, so previous input what? Welcome. Welcome to learn Python. So over or not? This is, you understand or not? So this is called to append. This is called to append string operator. So third one I will teach you, that is a repeating. What is this? Repeating. That is a repeating operator what? Asterisk. That operator is called to asterisk, not star. Okay. All of you saying star only, but proper name asterisk. Okay, good. Now I will teach you one of the examples. That is a DOS prompts str1 is equal to welcome. So welcome is coming up. Okay. Now you can second command, second coding, print str1 asterisk 4. What answer will come? That is a one more time is there. That is a, what is this? Str is equal to welcome. The welcome how many times will come? 4 times will come. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Then one more time welcome. So this is here using for repeating string operator. Repeat string operator. This is used for display the string multiple number of times. Multiple number of times. This is append means what? Existing string you can add it to one more strings. That is added. That is called to append. Okay, this is what the fourth one I will teach you. String slicing. So string slicing means what, sir? String slicing means is nothing. Just you can the one original string to part in-text value you can give to means that is each and everything you can separate will come. For example, sir, I want these letters only you want means you can sliced. Slice means what? வெட்டுறது அப்படியே. சரியா? அப்படியே வெட்டி எடுக்கிறது. சார் எனக்கு இந்த லெட்டர்ல இருந்து அந்த லெட்டர் வரையும் போதும் சார். Okay, no problem. You can write the coding, you can run the program if your output will come. So அந்த பார்ட்டை மட்டும் வெட்டி கொண்டு வரும். That's string slicing. So an example I will set. See, listen to me. That is a str1 is equal to double quotation Thirukural. What is this? Thirukural. So this is here. How many strings is there? How many strings is there? Just str is equal to 1 means Thirukural is there. So first of all you learn that. So string each and everything how to length you can calculate means how to you can memory will be stored means that is a first letter 0, second letter 1, third letter 2, fourth letter 3, then fifth letter 4, sixth letter 5, seventh letter 6, then eighth letter 7, then ninth letter 8, then 10th letter 9. So this is a position of the value, that is a index value. That is a index value. So each and everything you can calculate this like. So this like you can allocate one by one string, you can memory allocation in Python language. Is not Python language, all the language this like will do. One or two language only you can differ. Okay, now what is the 0 position T is there, 1 position H is there, second position I is there, then third position R is there, fourth position U is there, fifth position K is there, sixth position K, seventh position U, eighth position R, then eighth position A, ninth position L. So this like you can say, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Oh, that is a one more letter is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a how many letters there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 letter is there, but how many things? 10 only is coming. Okay, the last letter 10 is coming. So how many letters? That is a n minus 1. That is a very important formula. N minus 1 only. That is a n value what? How many number of 10 means? That is a 12. Okay, but that is the index value. What is this? 0 to 10 only. So 0 will start panna, that is a 11 only will come. So total string what? That is a 12 is there. 12 minus 1, 11. That is a last index value. How to find out means that is a 11. Okay, so this like you can find out. Okay, that is a total number of strings. This like only. This like only. So this is here how to find the numbers. So total number of strings how to calculate means n minus 1. N means what? The number of strings 12 is there. Okay. 12 minus 1, 11. So total number of capacity this like. Okay or no? This is calculation for strings. Okay. This strings how to string slicing operator how to use that means I will teach you lesson. So listen, I will teach you. So str value 1 is equal to Thirukkural. THIRUKKURL. This is a Thirukkural. Double quotation finished. Now I will one coding I give you. That coding what does that means? str1 square bracket 0. What string you can print? What string you can print means 0 position what value is there? 1. That is a 0 position T is there. This is the output. Okay. Next one more operator. Print str1 parenthesis square bracket 0 then 5. That is what 5 means. That is the number of character. That number of character. But number of character means that is a 5. But which up to which value you can print it? That is a n minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4. Up to 4. 0 to 4. That is a starting value. Starting value what? That is a T. T H-I-R-U. That is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to how many letter will come? That is a fourth letter, fourth index value up to you can print it. This is cut to slicing operator. So slicing operator means what? That is a colon operator only. Okay, good. Next, one more example I will teach you. Print str1 colon 5. Now what string you can print it? Up to through. What is this? Here you can not mention in the index value means, so that like what is it? Through will come. So next one more example I will teach you. Str print str1 before colon I will teach you. So here colon after 5 is there. Here what is this? Colon before 6 is there. Fix 6 there means before this value is there means that is here last what and all values there, all the letters you can print it. All the letters printed. So starting value you can set. Index value you can set. Index value 6 means what? That is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after what is 6? 6 is what? This is a 6. The 6 means that is the index value, you know. Here you can start all the letters you can print it. That is a, what is this? K-U-R-A-L. This is what means ending letter. Ending letter means what? Thiru, that is a last letter. This is what? Starting letter. Starting here to end. End value I not fixed. Okay, that is what it is. That is a string slicing. This is called what? String slicing. Okay, students. So next I will teach you next one. Listen carefully. Students, next I will teach you static when slicing operator. When slicing operator. When slicing string means is nothing. எந்த டைம் நான் அந்த ஸ்லைசிங் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. இங்கே தேர்ட் ஆர்கியூமெண்ட்டாக இங்கே 2 கோலன் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஜஸ்ட் யூ லிசன். தட் இஸ் str1 is equal to welcome to learn Python. Double quotation finished. So here next one coding I will show, right? Print str1 square bracket 10 16. What is this? Already I told. This is what? Starting value. This is what? Ending value. That is the starting value. Where it is start? 10th position we will start. 10th position means 0. So listen to me. That is each and everything I counting. See carefully. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to this. That is it, the 10th character. This space of 10th position value. Okay. Now what I told? 10th is coming. 10th after what letter you want print? 16th. 16th means what? N minus 1. N minus 1 means 16 minus 1, 15. So up to 15 you can print it. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So up to this is the 16th position. So learn only will come. Learn. Understand our students? If you understand or not? That is the 16th position means up to 16th. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not for 16. Okay, up to 16, 15th only you can print it. That is the n minus only already I told. So listen carefully. Okay, next I will teach you. This is a what? Slicing operator. This is a slicing operator. So now only I will teach you strid. Okay. Strid I will teach you. So listen. Strid means that is a print str1 square bracket open 10 16 then one more operators, that is a how many operator, that is a one more operator. This is what, that is a striding, that is a one more argument, that is a two argument is there. No, argument means value, that is a variable or constant. Okay, this is what the fourth value 4 is there. No, the 4 means what, means that is here, that is 16 is there. No, 16th after where should be you can start, that is a 10 is here is there, that is a 1 2 3 4, that is a 4 means that is a fourth word, that is a fourth letter only you can print, that is a forward, that is a forward. See here, that is a word answer will come means R. R means what, that is a what, this is a 1 2 3 4, 4 means the fourth position what value is there. Here value first you can find, after that fourth letter. Fourth letter what, R you can print it. Sir, in case 5 means what will come? 5 means N will come. So that is a number of terms, that is a forward. So in case minus value is there means what will do? What will do means minus side will come. Minus side means what? That is a 1 minus 3 means what will do? 1 2 3. 3 means what? That is a will printed. That is a minus 3 means a printed. So that is a reverse order if you calculate. So one by one examples we will see that, just I will teach you. So next one thing, print str1 10 colon 16 colon 2. 2 means what will come? 2 means what will come? 2 means what? That is a 1 2 1 2. That is a 1 2 means what will, what letter will come? That is a ER. That is a ER means what? 1 2. Here 1 is there. Here L printed. That is a C here. 1 2. 1 2 after what will come? 1 2 means E. Next what is this? 1 2 R. That is enough. That is a calculate this. Calculate this first. This is a count means what? That is a 2. 2 means what? That is a fourth position what value is there. Second position what value is there. Each and everything you can print it. See here 1 2 here you can print 1 2 here you can print. In case here letters there means 1 2 N after what is there, that one you can print it. Okay, so next one does prompt print str1 10 sorry that is a not 10 colon 3. Colon 3 means what will come? Letter is not first value, second argument is not fixed. Is not fixed means first value itself will go in. First value is going means what will do? 3. 3 position what? That is a first value you can print it. Is not printed. Okay. First value is not, in-text value is not give you. So in-text value give it means what is it? That value will be start. Okay, that will be itself you can start. But here what is this? Starting value, ending value is not there. That is a starting itself you can write. So first letter should be right. After that what? 1 2 3. That is here. First letter I will teach. First letter printed 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means what? C is there. C after what? 1 2 3. That is the E. That is the space also you can print it. Space also calculate. 1 2 3 O printed. Next what is this? Here also space is there. 1 2 3 E printed. E after what? A. 1 2 3 are printed. Sorry, n printed. N printed. After that what? Space is there. 1, 2, 3. That is here Y is printed. Next what is this? O printed. So this is a answer. This is a answer. This is a string calculation. String calculations. So there is a n minus 1. Sir, in case reverse order. Reverse order means what will come? See here. In case here minus 2 means what will come? This place replace to minus 2. Minus 2 means so there to there you can calculate. That is a reverse to what and all. String is the second position is there. That is a reverse order. Reverse order means what? N first should be printed. N. N after what? 1, 2. 1, 2 means what? H. H after what? Y. Just you can calculate. Okay. Y after space. Space is there. Next R. Next E. Next space. Next T. Next E. Next 0. Next is not 0. O. L. Next W. So this is a minus value. This is a forward operator. This is a backward operator. So listen to me. So this class, these only I will teach you. Definitely 1 mark will come this area. So some students you can confuse. So see the video 1 or 2 times. You can learn. After that open your book. Just your examples also is there. That examples also you can read the coding and learn. Okay. Thank you students.